Hey guys, welcome back to the 32 by 15 podcast. I'm your host Dylan with my co-host Pranay.
How you guys doing? This is our first time recording a video podcast. I'm trying
Yeah,
something
you
new.
can see us now. This is insane.
Yeah,
The big,
I look
big jump.
pretty ugly
We're
now, but
also
like, yeah,
we're also recording this at like an insanely late time.
yeah, it's
Uh,
uh, it's 1:30 in
Mental.
Singapore, so that's why the
It
lights are
is
off. Next time
11
we'll have
o'clock
better
Indian
lighting.
time.
But yeah,
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of insane, bro. Mad. Have
I
you been?
know.
It's been
Um,
absolutely. It's been an insanely long time since we last
it's been an
recorded.
insanely long time since we recorded, and it's been a long time since we posted as well. And I'm
Yeah.
pretty happy that we at least are trying something new now because I feel like the audio podcasts have been getting a bit repetitive,
Yeah, it
especially with
got it,
like
it like stagnated as well, right?
it stagnated. We stopped for a while and got pretty inconsistent. I feel like this is something which we can look forward to more because, like,
Yeah.
it's new. But
Correct.
yeah, I mean, it's going well. Honestly, I've been doing well.
How have you
Chilling.
been? What if you were you in LA the last time we spoke?
I wasn't in LA. I just come back from LA,
Ah, so how has your unemployment days been?
bro. Unemployment has been a long time. Like I swear, it's been like too long since I've been unemployed.
What was your
And
unemployment daily routine? I mean,
the thing
I'm
is,
on my holiday now, so
yeah, that's what. Now you're on yours. Now I'm not. So it's like when I was
yeah.
unemployed, like basically like from March, April, May also like half of me basically. So like what I used to do is just wake up at like 11 a.m., 12 p.m. because that's when all the unemployed people wake up. Then because that's like the separate time. It's not too early in the morning and it's not in the afternoon, so you can still call
Yeah,
yourself a
yeah,
morning
yeah, yeah.
person but be unemployed. So it's like yeah, I woke up at like
Mental.
11, 12, got up, ate breakfast,
Correct.
went to the gym for like 2 hours. That's my 2 hours of
What was that? What
productivity.
was that little series you were doing of rating gyms
Oh, so
on
like when I
Snapchat?
came back to Singapore, I was like trying out new gyms because I didn't have a proper like gym in my society. So I wanted to get a new gym membership. So I was just testing out different gyms and I went to like a couple of them which were like close to
Did
my
you have to
house.
pay for any of them for the free trial or
I know, I
a
just
free
went,
trial?
yeah, I was like, I just want to try it out, you know,
Yeah.
because yeah, why would I pay up front and then be like, "Okay, now if it's bad, I can't
Yeah,
try."
yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly.
So it's like, yeah, I want to try it out. Some of them were pretty shit. They were like very small, very crowded. Like, the machines were not nice. Then yeah, some of them were nice, but they were like too expensive. They were like 100, $120 a month, which is like almost 6, 7, 8K rupees a month.
Good lord.
So I was like,
But
that's
I mean, it is. Don't. I don't like the logic of converting into Singapore
rupees. Yeah,
into rupees, because into rupees everything will be
the
expensive,
thing
right?
is, if you convert into dollars now, it will be like which is nothing. Let's say you spend like 100 rupees
That's
on
what I'm
lunch.
saying. Because
It's
when
only
you earn in that
$15.
currency,
Yeah,
like I
I
mean, you're
know.
not earning, but when you're whoever, like when you're in the
Yeah,
country, it's a very different thing.
that is true. That's why I don't feel a big shift because like my friends, other friends who went from US, from like California to India again, they felt a big shift from like when they saw like Swiggy and all that. They were like, oh, all this food is only like $2, $3.
That's cheap as hell, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but meanwhile, I'm still spending in dollars only. So it's
yeah.
like,
Whereas
yeah, it's
there it
been,
must have been expensive as hell, right?
bro,
Like if
it
you
is.
convert.
It is, yeah. If you convert, anything's expensive in the US and anything's cheap in India. But
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah,
you
yeah.
said, it's relative. But yeah, you should
Makes
just go to the
sense.
gym, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And it's not even supposed to be 2 hours. All I used to do is just stretch it out and like be lazy about it because I had nothing else to do at home.
What would lazy bird as in?
As in like take like 5 minute breaks between sets and like listen to music and then
So just stretch it out. Just
just
stretch it
yeah,
out.
I used to just like whatever. I used to
Yeah,
just
fair.
take my own time, come back, eat lunch, watch like Insta reels, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, whatever social media there is.
Bro, my reels has been popping off lately.
Bro,
What I
everyone's.
mean is, bro, like I've been getting either. I have like a spectrum. I either
Hmm.
get the most saddest, stupidest. No, no,
I
it's either
know.
the saddest, most depressing reels, or it is the most brain dead, brain rotted LeBron James,
Oh
skibbery
yeah.
toilet ass reels. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Patapim, all these.
Oh, my bro, tung 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 sahur and all that.
Like I didn't even say anything. You just continued my words. That says everything, bro. That
It's
says that
absolutely insane. And I hate that, by the
young
way. Like,
young
it's
man.
not fun. It's
Exactly.
not cool at all.
I didn't even have to say anything. You just like completed my whole sentence. So it just proves it, right?
Mental.
But
Yeah.
yeah,
Have,
reels are
have,
crazy,
yeah. Have you been getting this thing? What do you call it? The the mad conspiracy theories and shit.
bro. The thing is, it's not more for me. It's not on Instagram. It's on mainly on Twitter. you know, like check out this thread to find out why this is like a conspiracy. I get so many of them, mainly like I'll tell you the most popular one I get is like, you know what clones are?
Yeah, obviously.
Clones, as in like there's a guy who looks exactly like you,
Yeah,
same
yeah.
height,
Are you
same
talking about a
voice.
doppelganger or a clone?
No, clone. Doppelganger is
Yeah.
different. Doppelganger is like, okay, you know someone who looks similar
He
to you,
looks
whatever.
alike, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But clone is like, so what I've been seeing these days is celebrity clones, and mainly celebrity as in like, you know, Hollywood celebrities and like politicians, you know, all these very powerful
I've
famous
seen
people
that.
on
Yeah,
Twitter,
go on.
where they're like, oh,
Yeah.
check this thread out and find out why this guy is acting
This
different.
one
Like,
acted
oh,
like
yeah,
that and all that.
it's like Joe
I'll tell you
Biden,
who I've
all
seen.
these people. Yeah,
Yeah, correct. Bro, there was a theory that Joe Biden was dead and all that.
yeah, bro.
Like, there
Because
was a proper theory.
I remember I saw that because this was during the rally when the presidential all that stuff was going
Yeah,
on.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because
And I was
like,
so convinced. I was just convinced. Like, I'm here.
bro,
Joe
that's the
Biden's
thing.
dead.
It's because
Elon
also
Musk
like
is a clone.
I was seeing all this stuff related to clones, which kind of
Hmm.
like freaked me out because it's very hard to not believe, you know. But at the same time,
Because you
it's like
don't know what
it's
is real
Twitter.
and what's not.
That's there, and plus at the same time, it's Twitter, bro. I mean, Twitter,
Yeah.
anything like AI. You know, we have been trolled by AI images, yeah, like
Yeah, 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 yeah.
and the MS370, all that. So it's like you never know what to believe and what
Yeah.
not to believe. So it's pretty tough. But
So, what I've seen is
hmm,
Joe Biden, Kanye West, Elon Musk,
Kanye West,
and all these people who are just acting really odd are
yeah,
all supposed to be clones of themselves, and the real versions are with the Illuminati or something. I don't know. I don't
bro,
believe that.
yeah, that, and I've seen like I saw like, you know, basically how they say like, oh, their clone malfunctioned in public, where oh, he
Yeah,
forgot what to say, and like, oh, he's acting different, oh, he
yeah.
didn't pose for the camera. You know, like how they talk about celebrities, right?
But
Just
but
like
then that's stretching it a little bit, right?
that
Then you're
is,
just looking for a
it's like, yeah, if I certainly look for a clone like
yeah,
activity in a person, I will find it one way or another,
yeah.
or
Obviously,
I'll convince myself that it's a clone. You get what I'm saying?
because even if you think about like just if you don't look at the clone part, just you look at the way people act in their daily lives, right? You will never act the same way 2 days in a row.
That
Mood fluctuates and all that.
mute,
Mood.
mute.
Whoa.
But
Yeah.
yeah, that is crazy. I mean, I've been seeing so many of them. You
But
tell me, bro,
bro,
how's
but
your Twitter looking like, except Man United?
I've been on football Twitter, and football Twitter has been a terrible place if you're a Man United fan. Because we finished.
Speak about it,
Guess,
bro.
guess. Acha, can you
Talk
guess? Can you
about it.
guess where we finished the season?
15th.
Oh, you're actually right. Mad.
I
Okay,
know.
someone did the research. Someone did the research.
I'm
So we
a
were
United fan.
16th and 17th most of the season. We've
Hmm.
been absolutely ass. But this week has been good. We signed one of the best forwards in the league, Mateus Cunha. We re-signed. No. Bruno Fernandes just said, I'm staying.
Yeah, I
Signed the
saw that.
thing. I was the happiest man alive, obviously. Bro, I love Bruno Fernandes, man. Like, he's changed my life. Generational.
Yeah.
Absolutely generational. But yeah, so we had a terrible season, but now that it's over, but it's like the ECG, right? You got to be shit to go up, otherwise you're not living life.
But it's a flat line for United now.
It was a flat line for very long. It was just
Yeah.
a.
It was like, yeah, it was like, okay, now, and it kept
I was
going.
like, it'll get better. So we finished 8th the season before, okay, and I'm fully convinced myself it's not getting worse than this, is it? Oh, it got worse. It
Got
got
double.
worse.
8 to
And
16
losing to
15.
Spurs. Fucking Spurs.
Bro, what
Mental.
else? I saw there was this game recently. United was like, it was very small stadium for like the Premier League, Barnmouth or something like that. Barnmouth,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
1-0. I
Bro,
saw that game live.
we've
Man.
lost to everyone. We've lost to Bournemouth. We've lost to this team called Wolves. We lost to animals. Wolves.
That is
It's
crazy.
not even a football club. That's animals.
Wolves are not
Bro,
even real,
mental.
bro. Have you ever seen a wolf? Tell me.
No, but you won't
They're
find
not
wolves
real.
in
Wolves
Marol,
are
will
not.
you? You won't find wolves in Marol,
We
will you?
gotta ask the person who goes to zoos, bro. In our group, there's only one person
Oh
who
yeah,
goes
yeah.
to a zoo.
Our video podcast guest.
Yeah. If you
He
switch,
goes on. He goes to zoos and Sanjay Gandhi National Park.
bro, if you switch off his video in the middle of the podcast, done. That's the episode. That's the
Yeah.
episode. But
But
yeah,
yeah,
what are we talking about? We went
crazy.
from clones to Man United. That's crazy.
But no, so my also feed has
We're
been
talking Twitter,
very
yeah.
messed up.
Tell me about Twitter.
So you know how you said that. So you know how we said that people are looking for reasons for people to be a certain way and all that. Have you thought maybe the internet is not real?
That is like a very, very, very broad
It's a
thing to
very vague
go.
thing.
Because like, bro, I follow my friends on like social media and
Yeah,
all these platforms. I follow
yeah.
people I know. I follow people I see in real life. But internet as a whole, like, has like millions of people. You know, like millions
Oh
of.
no, 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 but I'm not talking about like that. When you look at like forums and all the like Reddit forums,
Oh,
maybe
yeah, exactly.
Kira on
That's what.
Twitter.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you. Like you, you just see like millions of people who are active, and like you basically every time you scroll up a reel or whatever, you're interacting with one user, right? And I
Yeah,
get what you're saying that you don't even know if they're real or not, which is kind of
yeah.
crazy. It is very scary to
Because
think about, you
if
know?
you see, look at it, right? We see these like for us like these like say you post a really popular short, you
Hmm.
get 10,000 views. You say, oh, 10,000 views is not a lot. I
But
get a million views,
10,000 people,
but 10,000
I know.
views,
It's like you bring 10,000 people in front of you right now, you'll be like, what? That is insane.
right?
I get what you're saying. I totally get what you're saying, bro.
That's a school full of kids. I did not mean
I think
that. No, no.
that's a cue for the next episode, bro. That's a cue for the next
Nah,
episode.
nah, we're 10 minutes in, we're 10 minutes in, we're
That's a cue
10
for our
minutes
next episode.
in. We're 10 minutes in. No, I should have chosen a better. No, I'm not saving. Okay, let's just move
Just
on.
move on, bro. Just move on.
But
Call
yeah,
it
so
straight.
no, because if you think about it, look, people rage baiting online. They're not real. Look, think of it like this:
There are
Bruno
many rage
Fernandez
baiters I
may
know,
not be
bro.
real. Bruno Fernandez may not be real. Have you considered that? Like, what if this is actually a thought? This is genuinely a thought I had. Okay, I'm just deviating from it. What if just the whole Premier League as a whole is scripted?
That is possible, bro, because like half these things are
Because
fine.
look,
Man.
we're not seeing it in like obviously people are going to the matches and all that. But I like from I'm here looking at it through a screen. Through that
Yeah,
screen, it could be anything, right?
that is also
And
true.
people who are betting and getting like millions, like, do you even know it's real? No. Like, what if the whole thing is bro? If WWE can, I know WWE is also like a very hard
It
sport,
is, yeah.
but I genuinely think everything can be scripted. It's just a
No,
money making
bro,
business.
definitely, especially when it is definitely a money making, bro. But it's like if they didn't want to make money off it, they would not bring in fans, they would not bring in advertisements, they would not bring in
Monetization and all that.
monetization, broadcasting it to millions, billions of people around the world. It's
Yeah.
like how, like, that's what I'm saying. It's just very, very possible to be scripted. And what you're talking
Right?
about is sports. Like, sports, so yeah, bro, definitely. It's like, okay, the matches between the classrooms and like inter-school matches, they might not be
Yeah.
scripted because like nobody gives a shit.
Yeah, obviously,
Yeah,
yeah.
but like these
But
World
like
Cup matches, IPL, my God,
exactly.
I to always bring it to my friends say, "Ki, bro, IPL is scripted anyway. Why are you watching it?"
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's like they're creating
People
like a
say that
movie like
Messi
with a build-up.
2022 World Cup was also scripted. Like
Bro,
Ronaldo
I
fans say
know,
that
I agree,
because
like
like so much of crazy shit happened. The penalties, like it was
penalties
just
and like yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. It's like the build-up, right? From the start of the
yeah,
World Cup to the end, the whole
yeah,
thing could be scripted. Like leave the
yeah,
finals
yeah, yeah,
only.
yeah.
The
Mbappe scoring
finals,
the hat trick and still not
yeah.
winning in the final.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Absolutely
See, the
insane.
final is just one thing, or the whole movie. It's like the ending of the whole
Yeah,
movie. The
yeah,
whole
yeah, yeah,
movie
yeah,
starts from the starting till the ending.
yeah.
Like from the first ever game, first not ever, like
Correct.
first game in the league till the last, till the final. That's the timeline, and
Yeah,
in the middle, everything will be scripted. Imagine, just to like
bro,
make the movie
I fully
interesting,
think
all
so.
that.
Cause do you know there was this recent Champions League final? The Champions League just got over.
Oh
PSG
yeah,
just
the
won. Yeah.
final. I saw that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so exactly, and that Inter Milan team beat Barcelona, who play very similar to PSG. Like they play a good high pressing, high attacking, beautiful football.
Mm.
That Inter team, I think they
Crumpled.
won 4-3 against Barcelona, right? They drew
Yeah,
first one 3-3. The second one they won 4-3. How are you not scoring a single goal versus a very similar playing side? How are you conceding five
that is
in a
insane.
single game in a Champions League final? And PSG are the richest. I could be wrong here, but PSG are one of the richest clubs. Like they're state-owned, they're Qatari-owned.
Oh,
So the money is there for the bribing and all of that. Whoa, hello Shadow. Yeah,
but
that's what I'm
yeah,
saying. It
man,
could be
it
scripted.
it definitely. I had to always tell my friends and everyone like around me that oh, why are you even watching this? It could be like, oh, like, it's like a movie, It's just
Like
a
Virat
month-long
Kohli thing,
movie.
the Virat Kohli thing,
Virat
the
Kohli
Virat
thing as
Kohli's
well.
perfect ending.
Exactly, man. All these things are happening with legends and
Yeah,
like, oh, they got it again and like,
script writers are insane.
Exactly, bro. I'm telling you, we could be like victims of this. It's like just imagine this is still one thing or like
100%.
sports. This still just sports, bro.
100%.
Imagine this, so much stuff that we consume, like on the internet,
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
like Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, wherever we
Yeah.
saw like online. Basically, we
Yeah. Yeah.
consume
Yeah.
way too much than what we think we do.
Correct.
Like you probably
Correct.
eat
And being
breakfast once.
chronically
Yeah.
online completely messes you up.
See, that is also
Because,
one
like,
thing. Yeah, because what I'm saying is like, okay, you watch reels, you watch like,
no, because
funny
at that
reels,
point you're just
yeah,
being influenced by everything that you see. You're
everything.
not
I know.
living your life.
That is crazy. Sending me into
Yeah,
some deep thought.
bro. Because I know it's a little weird. We don't start off our podcast this deep. We're
But
normally very
yeah, I
chill
know.
and light about it.
You're like, oh, this happened, that happened. Let's move on.
Yeah,
But
but do you think? Okay, we're talking about script writing. Okay, this is on our podcast topics list. Do you think life is written? Like, do you think everything is written in your life right now, or do you think you're making your choices? Because I can make arguments for both ends. Even I don't know. I
yeah,
have no
it's
definite
what you
answer.
choose to believe, bro. It's honestly,
What do you believe?
it's a thing. It's a mindset. For me, it's like I make my own choices. You know, I write my own destiny or whatever the quote is. It's like
Right?
because the choices I
No,
made
but
last
see,
year
yeah.
made me do who I am now, or the choices I made yesterday.
But what if it was written? Like, what if you're supposed to make this? What if this conversation
Yeah.
was supposed to be had?
See, that's what I'm saying. It's a mindset because you can think like that, and you can
Yeah,
still you have a choice to think like that. Like right now,
correct.
you have a choice if you want to think that it's already written anyway. Whether I'm gonna fail or
Yeah,
succeed doesn't matter.
yeah,
Let's see wherever life takes me.
yeah,
That is
yeah,
one
yeah.
mindset. Other mindset is okay. I create my own future.
I actually think that's loser mentality, by the way. I know I was playing devil's advocate for your
No,
point,
I'm
but I
telling
actually think
you,
that's loser
it's
mentality.
like because just because of the
Right.
thought that you have, just because of the choice you have of thinking about this, I can tell that if it was written, you wouldn't even think about it, bro. You get what I'm saying?
Cause like, no offense, like I'm also on your side that I write my own destiny, right?
Mm.
But because if you think everything is written, then I think some people lazy. I don't mean to be that guy, but yeah, some lazy people could just be there who are just there, like
Yes, just accept
hey,
it.
I'm
Be
not
like,
gonna
oh,
do it. Life is just gonna work out. And for
exactly.
some people, life works out.
That is crazy though.
Life works. Bro, story time. I have this friend. Okay, this man has not studied at all. At all.
Damn.
Absolutely not studied. He's on the verge of failing. Every single semester. Never failed. Never failed a single exam in his life. He clutches everything up. And then it's gonna happen, bro. And
See,
I think that's at that point it's just a superpower, like
that's
fair
like,
enough.
yeah, okay, fine. You can clutch it up, it's fine.
It's not that he studies and clutches it up. Like he puts in like the bare minimum effort. And so if this is the line, this is the line. He's here.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
he's like here.
yeah. Nah, I can tell, like, there's many people who are like just, they're just there, and like they just get it
You
done
need
somehow. Somehow
yeah.
the other way they'll get it done. But I get what you're
Okay.
saying. I'm thinking if you think about it mainly more as a broader perspective instead of just looking at individual because like, bro, your individual life barely even like how I don't know how to say this in a non-rude way. Like you have your friends have different friends. That's where your circle ends. You have your family has a close family. That's like your entire circle of people that you know of. But outside that, it's like how do I say this? Where would it be
I don't get
controlled?
what you mean.
Arey, I meant like to think of this as like a more broad thing, like how instead of saying it as individually is right, life is written for like each one of us is written
Yeah,
differently.
yeah,
We
yeah,
should
yeah.
think of it more as like for like countries, for like all this big
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
groups of
yeah,
people,
yeah, yeah.
colleges,
Correct.
the education system, all this like jobs, whichever
Yeah.
career that you choose to go into, that whole script is already written. That's what I'm trying to say.
True.
Instead of saying individual
True,
life
true.
choices and all that. You get what I'm
Yeah,
saying, right?
fair man.
It's like I'm
Yeah,
trying to
yeah,
say it
yeah,
in a
yeah.
more bigger way so that we can generalize it as like us instead of just me. You know,
Correct. But still an absolutely insane thing to think about.
it is
Because,
very, it is.
like, the people like prophesy stuff and all that, and it does come true. But, like, I don't believe in all that, obviously. I don't believe in, like, horoscopes and shit.
Yeah,
But, like,
same.
for me, right, it's how you were saying we are influenced earlier. Just that way, like, when you're looking for it, you will see it. Like it's like that
Yeah.
yellow taxi. I think
Yeah,
it's
yellow
called the
taxi.
yellow car syndrome,
Yeah,
right?
yep, I know.
When you're looking for it, like
Well, yes,
your
I know.
mind wants a reason to be proven right.
Exactly.
And then you will find the reason to be proved right. And then you're like, oh, that happened because he said it. No, happened because you're looking for it. You're
Exactly,
actively
looking for
seeking
it.
to
Yeah,
be right.
exactly, bro. Exactly. If I'm looking for something, I'm more like possible to finding it than if I'm not looking for it. You know.
Yeah.
So I get I get what you're saying. You know, like this whole it's written thing.
Written
'Cause
thing.
it is
Yeah.
like definitely. It's if you think it's written, you'll find reasons to why it's written.
It
And
is
if you think
written,
it's not
yeah.
written, you'll
But
find reasons to
I
why it's not.
think everyone is
It's
just
either or,
in this
bro.
thing for your own destiny.
Yeah,
Because
it's
if you don't do what you have to do, you are gonna fail. And if you succeed expectations, you are gonna like
that is there.
prosper in
It's
life,
yeah,
right?
bro. Life is
Yeah, correct.
no one's getting
Yeah,
that for me.
absolutely.
And like it's not like
Fully. Yeah,
if I fail on my own. Or
correct,
if
correct.
I pass on my own. It's like that.
Yeah,
Like
absolutely.
ChatGPT is still a help. But
Bro, so then I was
if one
talking to
person I
my
could write
friend
my life,
just
I would
random.
like ChatGPT, right?
Yeah.
One thing if you could write my life now, ChatGPT is doing
Correct.
it.
Yeah, but so the thing is, right? My friend was telling me
Laura.
law or
No,
something.
India, Pakistan thing.
Something
Jindal.
completely.
I know because
When-
the exams became online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His exams were completely online, and it was not invigilated all that. And
Yeah.
we were out the other day. I met him, and I said he's told me. So I said, yeah. So you must just ChatGPT everything, right? He's like, no. He said if I put the bare minimum effort also, and just write something by myself, everyone else is gonna ChatGPT it.
Yeah.
So like out of the 50 these things that are ChatGPT, one is not ChatGPT. What do you think is more likely, him to get a higher grade or a lower grade?
I agree.
But like, what if he's written is absolutely trash and not related to the topic at all?
Yeah, I don't get what you're saying. Like, if it's either correct or wrong, right? What is it?
That's what I'm saying. So what do you think?
I think it'll be the same because
Nah. So everyone
Yeah.
else is ChatGPT their thing, right?
Mm.
When you put the plagiarism test, you get 100% AI generated, whatever. Correct.
yeah.
Now he is the only man who has written the whole thing. It's probably mid. Do you think he gets a better grade than the rest of the class or worse grade than the rest
Depends
of
on
the
the scoring, bro. Depends on how the scoring is done because yeah, MCQs wise okay, correct, but then like all this stuff is
class?
very
No, like a written.
yeah,
It's a law paper, man. What do you call it?
very
Thesis and
rhetorical,
shit.
yeah, the thesis and all that. I mean, I
I
don't know,
think
man.
I
I'm
think
very
he gets a
confused.
high grade. I would give him a high grade.
Yeah, it could be like because bro, yeah, out of like 550 people, so whatever 50, 60 people, one person's writing something different. Obviously, they'll pay more attention to
Yeah.
it. I'm not saying that
Correct.
he'll directly get higher grade like that. They'll definitely pay more attention
Yeah.
to it. And after that, it depends. If what is written is correct, then it's correct. But what I'm trying to say is it will get more attention, like definitely.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
Valid. That's insane. Crazy. Bro, we got on some deep
Yeah,
dark rabbit
we
hole.
we just started off
We
in
went
an
some
insane
mental
20 minute funnel down internet, cloning, this
Yeah.
and that. Crazy.
Cloning, internet, free will, dead internet theory.
We just we ran through all
Mad.
these topics, bro. Crazy.
Insane.
Now,
Where
you tell me something, bro. I've been talking for so long,
we've both been talking for so long.
but I talk more definitely.
Yeah.
You're a YouTuber, bro. You should talk. You should talk more.
Failed. Bro, that channel which got taken down. So, quick story time, guys. I had moderately successful YouTube channel. It's not moderately successful. It's
Minutely
it's
successful.
not. It's a, what do you call it? It's like a cult following YouTube channel I had. Right. And I thought the videos were great. But because I created another YouTube channel linked to that YouTube channel and used copywritten audio and video and stuff like that, that got taken down. And the main YouTube channel linked to it also got taken down. And then I was like, for the last like year, I've stopped now, but like since like, so it got taken down like 2023, 2022. And then I was just begging YouTube, like, please put it up for one day, let me download the videos. Because my editors said, oh, it's going to be on YouTube forever. Why do I need like a stored copy of it? And delete it off everywhere. Bro, and some of those videos are so good. The Blueberry Fago,
Blueberry Fago, and
Outlaw
like,
montage.
bro, my God, I remember those, man. That and like
Bro, that Cordham funny moments.
Cordham funny moments. Oh yeah.
You remember the I'm a Bush one?
Yes, I do.
You remember the I'm a Bush one?
It was which
It's
map
cancelable.
that
Tunisia.
Tunisia, yeah, Tunisia.
It's so cancelable, what you can say, but yeah.
Thing is, there's
So
so
yeah, so then my
many
YouTube channel
things,
got
so
completely
many.
taken
Those were insane. The editing on that was crazy.
Bro, I loved it, man. Don't kill, I'm planting.
Oh yeah.
Nah,
Nah,
those videos are
those are
insane.
actually
So yeah,
crazy.
long story short, I could never get my YouTube channel back either. I completely
Even the kill
like
cam
couldn't
one
clear
has,
it through.
bro.
Blueberry Fago, exactly.
That was, oh yeah, that was Blueberry Fago, yeah.
Do you want to tell a story time of how we became friends?
That was how we
I
became
don't think
friends.
anyone knows. I don't think we said that on the podcast before.
Because I mean, yeah, basically this guy, he was, I think, sharing a screen on Zoom or like,
No, before that, the Zoom chat as well.
that is one thing. The thing is, okay, yeah, that is also, I don't know what happened first, either the sharing screen one or
Even
Zoom
I don't
chat.
know what
And
happened.
I forgot.
I think
I think it
I
was
think the Zoom chat.
the chat happened definitely for the chat happened, yeah, because like this guy randomly texted me on Zoom chat, and I was like new at school that time. I've never met him. Like, this was I was in Bangalore, so it was like,
Yeah.
yeah, texted
He
me
used
on
to
Zoom,
sit like this, by the way. He used to sit
and
like this
it was
all
also
day.
my
Like,
whole.
no, not a muscle is more. He used to sit like
It was
this.
it was my left hand. I remember, yeah, like this. That was like crazy.
All day.
Full, bro. It was only during class where I was eating and all that random shit. I didn't even talk to her. Just,
And he had those green boat headphones.
green board. Oh yeah, bro. And the black tea which I never washed. Or the orange t-shirt.
No
Yeah.
one ever washes their black tea.
During lockdown
Shy check,
also.
if you're watching, you've not washed your black t-shirt in 3 years. In 3 years. Go on.
But what was I saying? How you become friends? Yeah. So this guy randomly texted me once, and it was like we just. I don't even. The thing is, I don't even know what we talked about other than the fact
So
that.
I'll tell you a little bit what
Yeah,
I
I know
remember. You can just
little
fill
bit.
in,
Yeah,
okay?
that's what. Yeah.
So I remember you being the new kid. I used to text everyone on that Zoom chat saying, "Hi, what's up?" Because I knew no one can see it.
Yeah.
And I should, the full lecture, I should sit and just text everyone on that Zoom chat. Just for fun, because that time I didn't have my phone.
Yeah, I know.
Me and Arjun used to just do time pass on that Zoom chat. We used to have the times of our life. Then I said, wait, I can just text this new guy. So I think I said, hi, hello. Then you also saw it. And that's the first time you've moved from like this. Your hands went onto the keyboard.
Keyboard.
And then I was like, okay, he's typing. And then he said, hi, bro. Then I introduced you. I said, I'm Dylan, whatever. Right. And then I remember I asked you I asked you the most simple question. I asked you, do you watch football, I think?
You that was like later in the convo though. You asked me first like like where
Where are you
where you
from and all
from, how tall are you,
Yeah.
all that random stuff.
I did not ask you how tall are you. I've
You-
never asked.
you didn't?
You only shoved it in my face. Nah,
Yeah,
nah.
never, bro. What do you mean?
Please. I remember like our third conversation. My third conversation with him was, I'm as tall as my dad, guys. I'm 6'2". And you sent me the photo. And that's like our third or fourth conversation. Like,
don't
that's our first
remember.
WhatsApp chat.
Oh,
That's our first WhatsApp
I don't even
chat.
have that number
So
now.
so
bro.
basically, yeah. So then the school realized that kids are not paying attention. They're typing. They're
Yeah,
texting
they
their
disabled
friends.
the
They
chat.
turned that
Yeah,
feature
yeah,
off. And me and him, before that, we have texted glory Man United to each other on Zoom chat.
Just checked once. or
Now
twice.
this man has no way of texting.
I have
me.
no idea of texting him. I don't have his number. This guy doesn't have Instagram. This guy doesn't have nothing. Like, I can't text him on Zoom or anything.
I was a ghost. Yeah.
But like proper ghost. And then what I saw, this one time, I think this was like SST, some subject, some random subject. This guy was sharing his screen,
Yeah.
and in the background, I saw so he was like closing the tabs and all. Okay, Cape on all that. Yeah, he closed all that.
Right.
He, so all that. He's like, okay, fine. I ignored that. Okay, fine, that's fine. Then in the end, I saw Outlaw of the battles. The what is the battle pass wala skin on the Outlaw, and
Yeah.
he was like editing or something like that. And I was there for like 2 seconds. And I was like, there's no way this guy plays Call of Duty. Because I was a huge
Outlaws are gun in Call of
Huge.
Duty.
outdoors I got on Call of Duty just for context.
Context.
I was a huge Call of Duty player back
Yeah.
then. And huge as in like, my god, if you knew me
We
that time.
were, bro.
Yeah,
we
you.
were
That's what you.
absolutely
Yeah.
attached
The thing
to
is,
that.
I didn't know, right? Because you also were. I just saw you randomly. I just saw an Outlaw on the screen.
Yeah.
So I was like, wait, is that what I think? That is that? Does he have the battle pass? I was like, wait, no way. That's crazy. Then I have no way of contacting this guy. I don't know who he is, where he like how to contact him.
We had one conversation,
one
and
conversation on
that
Zoom.
ended with glory Man United.
I talked to him on Zoom one, and then,
Yeah.
so that's how like I feel that the whole friendship started. But after that, too, we just finally found each other on WhatsApp first, and then
You texted me, then Outlaw, and then I told you come play with me.
yeah,
and
yeah. And I remember because I was in Legendary
And then
that time.
and me and Nick were legendary at that time. You're like, bro, I can't reach it only, and you were like in this
Yeah.
rage state.
I know. I was like, bro, I can't, because I was like what, one rank below Legendary, and I kept
Yeah.
winning and kept losing, and I kept winning again, and then winning and then losing again.
You're like, bro, I just can't do it, right? I just
So I was
can't do it.
like,
I said, wait.
I was like,
The first game I played with you, I dropped a nuke with that.
the Steve Kerr joke, bro.
No. That yeah, but what is that gun with C it starts?
Cordite.
Cordite, the Cordite.
Cordite.
Yeah, so basically a nuke, guys, is basically when you get 20 kills without
Okay.
dying. Which is actually pretty this thing. So the first ranked, it was definitely
This
ranked.
was not ranked. This
Because
is
we
not
only
ranked.
played ranked. We definitely played
This was
ranked.
the
We
first
only played
game. I
ranked.
remember this was the first game was not ranked, definitely. Because we played warm
Acha, I was only testing the waters with you to see how he played. Yeah, and then I just dropped a nuke. I was like, that's insane.
Yeah,
What a fuck.
I was like,
Yeah.
I was like impressed, and then he hit me up with the Steve Kerr joke and everything.
And
And then,
and then the rest is history.
then after that, me, you, Nick, we played standoff. I remember, and this time, bro, I was like not noob, I would say like a novice, or like I knew how to play, but
Yeah.
Nick was always saying like call outs and stuff. And
Yeah.
it's like Delhi, this, oh, one guy's here, one guy's
Yeah.
back alley, and I was like, what are you saying? I'm used to saying, "Arey,
Granny bottom, huh?
I was like, भाई
Granny bottom?
all I was using it, भाई तेरे पीछे बंदा है, तेरे आगे बंदा है, अरे उधर है. I was not like, oh,
Bro,
Delhi.
Nick has a UAV on every game
Like,
he
yeah, it's
plays. Bro. He'll
insane.
tell you
Yeah.
where the man is coming from also.
He'll tell everything what what
Absolutely,
nationality
God,
is,
like-
how tall the guy is. He went to this Podar, all this, everything he'll tell. So yeah, that was insane.
Yeah.
That experience was crazy. Like, and then I joined your frying pan.
I was trying to make a group of friends who'll play together because it was just me and Nick.
Yeah.
And then it was me, Nick, and this other guy. And then you joined it, right? Yeah. Bro, the funniest part was I was trying to make that whatever clan type of group for like ages.
But
And then when I stopped trying, it just
came
came
on its
together.
own. Yeah, I know.
Because then Shy Chick
Shy Chick
texted me,
started
ki,
playing.
I'm bored of PUBG, let's play CODM. I said, I play CODM every day. Are you doing lines?
No, it's my hand, bro. My calluses, the bad habit of like batting them off.
So yeah, so that happened. And then we just started playing together. And then it was just
Then it's
NGL.
history, bro. History. Gordon is like.
Then it's the best time
game.
of my life, man.
Gordon was one game I have it downloaded on either one of my devices since like 2020, 2020, not even 2020.
Yeah, we've got a tradition, guys. We play the Halloween map, which releases for a
Every
week or
year,
2
bro.
weeks
Every
in
year.
October every year.
Every year.
Like, it doesn't matter what you're doing, you have to hop on.
We
for
missed
that.
it last year, but like yeah.
We played something else, right? I think we played Holidays.
No, we didn't.
We played
didn't play Gordon
we
last
played
year.
Raid Holidays.
We didn't.
We compensated for that. We
When
played
did
Prop
we
Hunt or
play?
something.
Prop
We
Hunt.
played after that we played. After that
We didn't play Gordon, bro. When you say Gordon, we never played Gordon.
So we just end up playing like once a year minimum because
At
of
least
this
once a year.
statutory
Yeah, we
errors.
have played definitely. I remember. And
And we proper spent
2023 we
it.
played a lot. 2023 I remember we played a lot. I mean like around this time only actually, around like June.
That was
July.
after 12th,
After
right?
12,
After 12
yeah.
again Vela Bandi started.
Bro, that's actually After 12 Velapandi started, we used to play back. Bhai, tu bahut beautiful hai. Okay, chalo hop on
Arjun,
Discord.
भाई तू बहुत beautiful है. आजा
Arjun, you went
कोडे.
nuts, bro. You went from level 0 to like level 200 something. In like a
Yeah,
month
yeah,
or two.
yeah.
It's crazy.
I was like, what is going
He's
on?
using the most trash guns also. Like he doesn't even care about what he uses.
AK-117, doesn't matter.
Whatever gun he finds, cool, he'll just use that and he'll play with it.
Yeah. It sounds cool, so I'm using it.
इसमें ज़्यादा number है भाई चलो भाई. No, no
Crazy,
cares
bro,
at all.
absolutely.
Gordon is a goat. Like,
Yeah,
What
absolutely
is a goat?
insane,
Like,
man.
we should definitely hop on
But-
again, bro. Not even.
I don't mind. I'm actually down.
Bro.
Who wasn't agreeing? Not me.
You say you don't have
Not me.
space.
Can't be me. I actually cleared Regent's Way. Bro, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's just this whole. I have 256 gigabytes of storage, but I have like files in 2022 and shit.
Yeah.
Which
that's
is
what-
there for no reason at all. Yeah. Mental.
That's crazy,
Yeah.
man. Where did we even start with this discussion?
What am I saying?
We went
Yeah,
from
we were talking about
how
our-
we became
how we
friends,
became
and then
friends,
before that, what were we talking about?
I don't know.
That's
Random
like
segment.
old discussion from.
Yeah, speaking about life, I'm doing 75 hard.
Crazy. Being hard for
Day
75
5
days
currently.
straight.
Easy, man. Come on. I look at Pranecha. Yeah, I look at Pranecha. Mirror photos every day.
So that's just how it is. I
Absolutely.
don't
insane.
think I've addressed it, but I mean, yeah, you continue saying.
Go on.
I was saying how
Yeah.
crazy, you know?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
crazy
yeah.
how we are 35 minutes in, but we haven't addressed the fact that
Addressed our clapped cuts. My barber went out of town. You just decided to shave your hair off.
I just went. I was like, yeah. I got bored, guys. I was like, I always had long hair. ever since like I don't know how long. Like,
Oh, by the way, the hair
Yeah.
before this, like, it was not. It was so messy.
bro, because I was unemployed
so
and I
messy.
was like sick of it.
It doesn't matter.
Why would I even
It
get a
was
haircut,
so
bro?
Messy.
I was sitting at
It
home
was
doing nothing.
so incredibly all over the place.
It was legit. I don't even know what it was.
I used to video call this guy and he had like 4 strands of hair here, like some random curls here, jalebis on the side.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you.
His back part is coming on top and saying hello to me.
And like I was
He
coming
was
from the back
insane.
like this, I know.
Proper unemployed. If like you didn't show that you're unemployed, your hair did.
Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. I was like, if I look like, if I
Yeah.
am it, I have to look like it, right? And
Yeah.
so yeah, that was like crazy. And then one day I was like, bro, I was so like, I don't even know how to explain this feeling.
Was it being hot like a part of the reason?
That was one of the reasons because like my cap kept putting hair down on my eyebrows and I kept getting pimples and stuff. That was like one
Yeah.
issue, but okay, that was like fine. But main was like,
Fair.
I don't know, man, just mentally. So what pushed me is like I was like, I asked myself, can I actually go bald? And I was like,
Yeah.
no, maybe I can't. Maybe I'm too scared. What if it looks bad? I was like, no, now I have to do it. I was like, now I have to do it.
That's
I was like,
insane.
bro, now that
That's
I was like, I can't think about it twice. You know, if
Yeah.
I should be, if I'm like, how do I say this in a very non-corny way? It's like being bald should be like the last thing that should scare me. You know, what should scare
Right.
me honestly is like responsibility of like a lot of
What the
like exactly like a lot of there's like so much stuff which I should maybe not be scared of,
Yeah.
but like think twice about and all that stuff.
You know, that's why
Hmm.
this is actually sort of fun because that's a very similar mindset as to why I started 75 Hard.
Exactly. It's like
Because one is unemployment,
obviously
right? Unemployment.
unemployment
Second is
does-
I just saw my friend. I don't know if she'd want to be name dropped, but one of my friends posted on her story, "Ki I'm doing 75 Hard. Who wants to start?" And I said, on my own, I'm not doing anything in life. I'll run on my own, but I'm not doing anything more than that.
Yeah.
And she said, then I texted her, but then I thought it was a joke. I generally thought it was a joke. And she said, no, June 1st we start. And then she sent me her whole this thing. I have this to do, this to do, this to do. So basically, for the people who don't know what 75 Hard is,
Go on.
you do 2 workouts a day. One has to be indoor, one has to be outdoors. What else? You have to drink 3 liters of water, take a progress photo, and eat in a very strict diet. Yeah, and you can modify it however you want. So then she sent me her life. So I was like, wait, you're actually doing this? I thought we were just saying, yeah, let's do it, and just not do
Yeah,
it.
not do it.
Like when I tell you, like, yeah, no, it's like I tell you, yeah, let's go on a run tomorrow. Both of us are going to be sleeping early in the morning. It's not happening.
Like turf at 10 p.m. Not happening, bro. It's
Yeah,
not,
turf at
it's
10
not
p.m.
happening. It's
not happening. Unless there's 9 people in it, it's not
It's
happening.
not-
On my own, though, I'm not doing anything.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
So then she said, like, yeah, I'm doing it June 1st and all that. Then on 31st of me, again, I text, are you sure we're starting tomorrow? Like, are we starting tomorrow?
you're like-
She said, yeah, tomorrow is day 1. Then I'm like, okay, abhi to karna padega.
Abhi to you have to do.
And then on the 31st of June at 8 o'clock, I sat and I decided, okay, this
31st of
this I'm
June.
doing. 31st of May, my
Bro
bad.
went ahead in time.
But yeah. Bro, the diet is so hard. Like I'm free, right? So like I can just do 2 workouts a day. I'm doing indoor, I'm doing something or other. I'm doing high intensity. I'm doing a little bit of weights, maybe a little bit of ab exercises, whatever. But and outdoor, I love running. So yesterday
Yeah.
I did football. Today I went another run. So outdoor, you can just have fun with it. You can even go on a 30-minute walk. It
Yeah,
counts.
anything, it doesn't have to
But-
be like a proper. You can do it.
Correct. Because you're doing it because it's about consistency,
It's about
right? It's not
consistency.
about
It's
volume.
about consistency. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Then, bro, it's like you're doing this and then you're at home. Again, I'm unemployed, so I'm bored. There's food in the fridge. You're gravitating to get the chips, to eat the aloo tikkis,
Aloo tikki is crazy.
to eat the chicken fries,
bad,
bro.
yeah.
It's insane.
Especially when you have like
Diet is super hard.
there's a smiley nuggets also in your freezer. I know you have that.
I have
know
it
you
and I have
have
an air fryer. It takes me 2
I know you
seconds
have
to
that.
make it.
I know. I've checked out your freezer before.
Yeah, and I have an air fryer, so it'll take me 2 minutes to make it. Yeah, absolutely insane. It's so hard.
I know.
And no ice cream, and I love ice cream, man. Like if I'm dying, feed me ice cream. I will come back to life.
Yeah,
I will come-
I'll note that down so I don't give you ice cream.
Reboot, bro. It's my reboot.
But yeah,
It's absolutely
75
it's
is
so
crazy.
hard.
But yeah, basically that is what 75 hard
Bro,
is.
day 3 was so hard. Like day 1, day 2, like okay, I did it today. Day 2 is like okay, you did it today. Day 3, like everything. Oh, suddenly I had McDonald's burgers dancing around in my head. I dreamt about chips. Brother, I woke up with I'm not kidding, it's probably a really embarrassing story to tell. I woke up with my hand like this, and I was grabbing a chip in my mouth. I'm that fat. I'm that fat, and none of this is cap. Like I swear, like, this is actually happened. And then I realized, yeah, that's messed up as hell. I dreamt of chips.
That is actually insane. That is actually insane.
I used to dream about messy stuff, like not like naughty stuff, but like sad shit. But I've dreamt of chips.
There's actually no way, bro. There's no way.
That's when I realized, no, now I need to do it for my benefit.
Bro, exactly. That's when you realize, because I was like, because I had that thought in my head. I was like, do I think I can go bald? No, I think I'll look bad. Oh, I'm too scared. The second I said I'm
Bro,
too
see, a lot
scared
of
now.
that part is social media, right? Like, but then why does it matter?
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's the
Why
whole
does it
mindset.
matter?
I was like, bro. Then the second I got the thought of me being scared to go bald now, I was like, no, I have to do it. Now I have to do it. Then I texted on the group, like, I'm getting a buzz cut.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, now I can't do this. Like, imagine you saying, oh, you're scared of doing 75 hard because you might not complete it. Now you have that thing, now I have to do it. It's like that.
Now I need to.
Now you
right?
need to do it.
But the thing is, doing it with someone, you've done your thing, like you can't bond like on your own, your Facebook. But me, I'm doing it with a friend, right? So there's that accountability as
Accountability is
well.
also
Like,
there,
oh,
yeah.
I'm gonna let them down.
See, that is like fitness wise. I'm saying like just in a sense of like
yeah,
starting.
in life, bro. In life.
In starting
Yeah.
or doing something which you're like, oh, I'm too lazy to read a book. I'm like, no, I actually have to do it now.
Read a page.
Just do it now. Exactly.
You gotta do it, bro. Like, take it on your ego.
Exactly. I took it on my ego. I was like, bro, I can't be scared of doing such a small thing is, bro. Yeah. For some people, it may be like a huge decision. But like, man, it's just hair.
Because so many
Yeah.
people think of, oh, what is like the internet gonna think?
Exactly.
Do it.
Bro, legit, after that, kind of sound corny, but like, yeah, it has changed me, like, philosophically, I was like, bro, yes, I could do this, I can do
Okay.
anything, If I'm not scared of this, what will I be scared of? It's like that.
Mental. Crazy.
Am I gonna keep it though? I don't know. Let's see.
It'll grow back. So that's the thing, right? At the end of the day, it's just hair.
It's just hair, man, honestly. And
But for hair, for men, is like makeup for
it
women,
is
so to be fair,
definitely,
I
it is
guess.
definitely, I agree with that, but it's like, how do I say this? I kept, before what my excuse was before? I was like, my face is too small, I need to bulk up, and like, then maybe I'll think of it. But now that I have bulked up, I went to the gym, whatever, I have a good body, according to me.
The buzz cut just came to you there.
I was
Like,
like, yeah, now it's time.
It's
Yeah.
now or never,
It's
bitch.
now I have to do it. I was like, what should I do it? I'm scared. I was like, that's when I was like, bro, let's go.
mental.
He didn't even take money from me with a barber. He's like,
What?
what will he even take money from, bro?
He just went.
It took like half a minute, bro. I'm not even joking.
What?
And bro, it was like, drum, 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 drum. That's it. What else is there? You can't style it and all, bro. There's nothing raw. I could learn at home.
Bro, buzz cut is a fade.
Bro, I'll do a fade
You
now.
don't have a fade.
I'll do a fade now because like my hair is getting pretty, not long, but like it's like getting thicker now and everything. I'll get a fade now. But
Take a fade. Yeah,
yeah, it took like legit 2 minutes, bro. Nothing.
crazy.
I could have done it at home.
Before a
All the
topic
hours.
here,
Hmm.
that I think links to our what we're talking about, about like being scared of shit and all that.
Hmm.
How do you think your childhood shapes every decision you make as an adult?
See, it's like somehow related, It's like, how do I say this? It's like, yeah, childhood does shape your personality, which in turn like
I think it
Change your
does, but you
results.
can't hold if you're making stupid decisions, you can't hold it accountable to
you
yourself.
can't blame it. You can't blame everything on your childhood. Like, oh, I didn't study for my exam because I had a bad childhood. Nah, that is stupid. But like, that's what I'm saying. Not every decision is.
No, but I don't.
It changes your personality, which in turn makes your different decisions. It's like you made
Right.
this decision because you think like that, or because you have this mindset, or because you have this personality of yours which you won't give up, or like you won't, like the 75 hard thing. It's like that. Your personality like makes you do it, or like makes you choose to do it. You know what I'm
Fair.
saying?
Fair,
Childhood
fair,
trauma,
fair.
childhood, not trauma, like whatever, childhood, it shapes your personality more than it shapes your decision,
Affects, yeah.
It affects your
Correct,
mindset, it affects your like mental maturity, emotional maturity, all that stuff.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like a link, it's not directly linked to your decisions, but I feel like it's like a map towards the
No,
decisions,
but I think if you see, right, like, say people who haven't had, like, I'm just thinking of like an example, the first example that came to mind, I think it makes sense. People who like don't have, like, are not financially well to do as like younger generations, and when they're a kid, when they grow up, they value it a lot
Oh
more,
yeah,
right?
definitely.
Whereas people who are like just brought into wealth, they just don't realize the value of it.
Oh
So I
yeah,
think in
I
that
know.
way, I think it definitely does.
I mean, yeah, again, everyone's different, man. I have known many rich people who like actually take care of their money and all that stuff. But
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
again,
At
I
that
know
point, it's
many.
just a number
Yeah, again, it's like yeah,
digitally.
that's literally it's very people like oriented. You know, you can be different, I
Yeah,
can be
yeah, yeah,
different.
yeah.
We might be at the same level, but you act
But yeah,
differently.
I
I would
don't
say
think you should let that like affect, like, say, oh, I did something stupid,
exactly like that's
because
from yeah, that's what I'm saying.
it's a trauma response. You can't
You
just say
can't
that.
blame it on
It
your
doesn't work
childhood,
like
but
that.
I feel like yeah, some
Correct.
not yeah, like some mind like some feelings that you have right now, or like
Yeah.
what you feel about something right now could be like
Oh, true. Yeah, yeah,
shaped by
yeah, yeah,
how
yeah.
your
That
childhood
makes a
was.
lot of
You know what I'm
sense. That
saying?
makes a lot of sense.
That's what I'm
Correct.
saying.
Like, say some people don't like, I don't know, therapy.
Yeah,
But yeah, I get what you mean.
yeah. Like, what do you think about something that is shaped by your childhood?
See, for example, like, imagine you've had like a traumatic experience with your friend dying on a roller coaster. I just thought of the first Final Destination thing I could think of. Right, you'd never want to get on this thing
Yeah,
on your life, in your whole life, and you wouldn't let your kids do that, and that affect them,
exactly. That is
and then
true.
I think that could just go down.
Yeah, I mean,
That just goes down in generational trauma. That I
that
don't
is
want that.
crazy.
That's a whole different
Shit, man.
topic.
That is mad.
Mental. We're recording for 50 minutes now.
Bro, I think we should end it now.
Rapidly.
I think it's wrap time. It's getting pretty late here, so it's like 2:30 a.m.
This is like your peak Fortnite time.
Bro, this was used to be my peak fortnight time,
Unemployment
unemployed time.
peak
This is
Fortnite
employed
time.
time, employed right now.
This is Mr. Beast Games
But
time.
yeah, man. I think we talked a lot,
This
honestly.
is Mr. Beast Games time.
Bro, please, if you bring that up once more, right? I'm never doing a podcast, bro.
Mr. Beast
That was
Games.
like insane.
Okay, listen. I think our Instagram is on what, like 30, whatever, 40 followers.
I don't know, let's
right?
check actually, bro.
If we reach, let's set a goal.
Let's
Let's set a challenge. Let's set a proper challenge. Because I think now we're going to be uploading clips and all that. Now that we're
Let's
recording a
do
mini podcast. Hi guys, you can see me now. You can see me think and do like awkward
And I
mannerisms.
feel this will have less cuts as well because like we're talking face to face, you know.
Yeah.
So
Oh
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
37 followers. Crazy.
Right. What goal? 100?
Let's keep a small amount, 50 now.
No, 100. 100 is
100 by
doable.
what? 100 by what? We should keep a time.
100
That's what I'm
by.
saying.
We're on the 5th of June. This podcast will come out when?
Let's say by the weekend. So like
10th of
10th
June.
of June, yeah.
Chalo.
Yeah.
Right. By the 10th of July, we should have 100. That's a very
That is doable.
doable
That is
goal.
doable. Let's do that.
It's a very doable goal.
Yeah.
But then what do we do if we this thing?
If we don't make it,
No, if we make it. If we don't make it, then we don't do anything.
If we make it, I mean,
We'll get a guest on who's the number one comment or whatever.
yeah, let's do that. Actually, that we can decide it.
We'll get one of the followers.
Thing is, we can decide that like anytime on the next episode, hopefully, so that you
Yeah.
know we can discuss it with what people want also. You can type it down what you guys
Fair
want.
enough. So if I think this is gonna be an Instagram post.
Definitely is. Where is it is.
So let us know on the Instagram this thing, what you want us to do once we reach 100 followers. Please let us reach 100 followers on Instagram, and make sure to share it with your mom, dad, grandfather,
Everyone.
uncle, auntie,
Yeah.
everyone in your family and your joint family and your cousins.
Everyone.
Please
Friends, family.
upgrade this
everyone.
podcast. Your girlfriend, your situationship, her long distance best friend, and his long distance boyfriend who drives a Merc, and their friends
Everyone.
and all that.
Everyone, bro.
Everyone. Just put on your story and tag
Actually,
us. We'll
Bro,
repost it.
honestly, yeah, that would be like very.
I'll repost it.
I'd appreciate that a lot. So.
Yes.
Nice. Feel
That's enough for today, I
a good
guess.
note.
Bro, first video podcast, by the way, we did it.
well, bro. Honestly, I think these feel longer
it.
than audio podcasts, bro. I'm sorry, these feel short.
Yeah.
Kind of like I don't know how to say it. It's like different because we are talking face to face, you know. Even though we're
Yeah,
not, like,
yeah.
face to face, but like.
Like, I can say something dodgy, and that time I was just like, now I'm looking at your reaction, like, damn, okay.
That's why I
Hello.
said this will have less cuts because I think audio podcasts you make more mistakes and I get more confused and like talk over each other all that
Yeah.
stuff. This one I feel like it's more natural, and we're like talking about it.
It's a video call.
It's a video call, is it? But yeah, let us know how
Yeah.
you guys like it. You know, type of
Yeah, let
one.
us know. It's a little bit of a change. I think we're going to keep it this way.
Let's do.
For a
Let us.
little bit.
Actually, it's pretty fun.
Until someone calls me ugly in the description or whatever.
We are ugly boys.
Chalo. We'll see you all in the next one. Take care and bye bye.
Good night.